Good afternoon, I'm the technician working on your vehicle today carrying out your service. There's no concerns to note, I'd just like to show you a few things on your vehicle. Your front shocks are in good condition with no leaks or damage. Your front tyres are on 5mm with no fault. Your front brake pads are on 9mm or 90% with no fault. Your exhaust is in good condition the entire length of the vehicle with no leaks or damage. Your rear shock absorbers are in good condition with no leaks or damage. Your rear brake pads are on 9mm or 90% with no fault. And your rear tyres are on 4mm with no fault. For your peace of mind, we have bottles of disinfectant which we are using to spray and wipe down all surfaces we come into contact with on your vehicle. Thank you for visiting and supporting Sydney City Lexus. One of our service advisors will contact you shortly.